Hi, now let's take a look at question 26. A block of ice was placed in a container and left near the window. After a while, the ice started to melt as shown below. Now, how is ice able to melt? It must have gained heat. And where did it gain heat from? It gained heat from the warmer surrounding air to melt. Let's write this down. So ice must have gained heat from the warmer surrounding air to melt. And what does it form? It forms water as seen in the container. So over here we'll write to form water. Now, what about the temperature of ice in this scenario? We know that the melting point of ice is 0 degrees. As such, if we were to measure the temperature of ice, what we will observe is that during the melting process, there is no change in the temperature of ice and it will remain constant at 0 degrees until the melting process is complete. So you may be thinking, if temperature remains constant at 0 degrees, does that mean that there is no heat gained by the ice? The answer is no. The heat gained from the surrounding air by the ice is not used to increase the temperature of the ice, but it is used to change the state of ice from a solid to a liquid. As such, during the melting process, we can say that temperature remains constant at 0 degrees. Now with that, let's take a look at the question. The question asks, which one of the following statements is true? In this case, option 1, the ice loses heat to the surrounding air. Does the ice lose heat to the surrounding air? No, the ice gains heat from the warmer surrounding air. As such, option 1 is incorrect. Now what about option 2? Temperature of the block of ice is 0 degrees. As mentioned earlier, the ice is melting and during the melting process, temperature will remain constant at 0 degrees. As such, option 2 is a possible answer. Now what about option 3? The temperature of the block of ice increases. As mentioned earlier, during melting, temperature remains constant and do not increase. So option 3 is also not possible. Now what about option 4? The water in the container gained heat from the ice. In this case, we need to know that water will not gain heat from the ice because during the melting process, water is also at 0 degrees. As such, it will not gain heat from the ice, which is also at 0 degrees. Instead, it will gain heat from the warmer surrounding air. So option 4 is also incorrect. That leaves us with option 2 as our correct answer. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video useful, do give us a thumbs up. If you want to check out the other videos we've made, do click on the links on the right hand side. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!